These family cruise t-shirts are going to blow up in 2026. And if you're going to miss out on this, you might be missing out on some potential sales in the new year. Look at this shirt here. This one here has sold 33 times in the last 30 days. And this one here sold 276 times in the last 30 days. Here's another example of these family t-shirts. This has sold 69 times in the last 30 days. With this product here has sold over 551 products. And when you combine a very popular t-shirt niche like the cruise niche and combine that with obviously the new year 2026, there's multiple opportunities for you to combine these two things together and sell extremely well. So in today's video, I want to share with you a very easy prompt you can use for this type of design and how you can easily apply this to any print on demand product so you can start selling this on Etsy today. I want to share this all with you coming up next. All right, so these designs have done extremely well, and one of the things we're going to do is definitely create this to be on a on-demand t-shirt. In our case today, we're going to jump over into Printify because they have a ton of things for you to create in design, and with their seamless connection with Etsy, it really makes it easy for you to sell any physical product, making this as passive as possible when it comes down to a print-on-demand business. In our case today, we're going to jump over into t-shirts with Printify. We want to head over to the Bella Plus Canvas, as that has been a t-shirt quality I know sell extremely well on Etsy. And then from here, we want to go ahead and start designing. And when you do this, you definitely want to make sure that the print area size, because when we create our design, we need to go and resize this to fit exactly the space that Printify gives us so we can have the best quality design and making sure that it fits properly. So that being said, we're going to be mindful of this print area space here once we go to resize our design. So we have everything good to go, ready in Printify, but now we need to go and create our AI design for this specific niche. And the tool that I want to use today for this is my Creative Prompt AI tool. This is my custom built tool I built for my Etsy membership community to make it really easy for you to use AI to create high quality designs, but also have the niche finder in smart SEO tools so you know what bestsellers are actually selling on Etsy and how to remix them with our AI design studio and then list that well with the right SEO for your Etsy listing. That being said, we already found our niche product. Again, we found this family cruise t-shirts to do well. We're definitely going to add in the year, as that is something that's going to blow up in 2026. Now from here, we wanted to go ahead and actually create a prompt for our design. And so this is the design that we have created here. Again, as you can see, it's definitely bringing in some nice phrases at the top here, bringing in the year, and even bringing in some personalization at the bottom. This is the overall prompt that we have here, and I'll make sure I leave this prompt down in my comment section below. When I create designs, I like to create different variations of these type of designs because you never know which one is going to sell well, but I like to give myself some options. So being that this is already created here, we can go down a little bit further and change out the personalization to a different family's name if you want to. That can be really easy changed out. But if I do want to create a different variation of this, I can actually save this to my designs, head over into my folder, find where my design is, and go ahead and remix this. So you can see all of the different variations we were able to create by doing this remix option here. So I'm going to plug this over into Remix Studio here. And when we go in our Remix Studio here, we have some custom made prompts for t-shirts, which makes it easy for us not to have to put in a very complex prompt, but we can actually go and put some minor things to make some simple changes here. So I want to go ahead and select my pre-prompt here, and I want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. So we have our design reference here at the bottom, but now we're going to go up and select the background to be white here. And because we want this to be specifically for the 2026 year, we're just simply going to say keep the design for the year 2026. From here, we can actually scale up how many variations we want. And the reason why I like creating in variations, because obviously we know the cruise niche is selling well, the new year niche is also selling well, and we want to create at least 4 different variations because we never know which type of design will sell well. So the best that we can do is create different variations within that specific area that give us more options in regards to what can sell well. From here, I want to go ahead and hit generate. And you can see all of the different variations we were able to create focusing on this specific style. We can see this came out extremely, definitely keeping within the 2026 year. This one as well came out very nice. I love how this style is with the 2026. That came out great as well. And this style came out extremely well. So you can see just how easy it is to really scale this out for your print-on-demand business, to really find great designs in variations. We can even go a step further and find a popular design style that's selling well on Etsy. As we can see, this product has sold over multiple thousands of products here. Again, been around for 21 months. And again, selling extremely well here with it being sold 2 times in the last 24 hours. So we know definitely this niche is going to do well. But we can take this as a reference image for our secondary spot and definitely add in some elements here to make our design stand out even more. We could jump back into the Remix Studio, and we have a second slot to add in a second image as image reference 2. And again, this is going to bring in some colors, some design styles that we can add to our overall design. And so I can hover over this space here just to use this as a color reference, scale up my designs, and here is the result we were able to get when we merged in those 2 designs together. This is the design that we had before here. As you can see, brought in that nice cruise ship. Here was the reference image design that we had here that brought in these type of colors. But when we merged both of those things together, this is what we were able to create as a result. And I think that came out extremely well. Again, definitely bringing in some variation to our design, but still staying true to what our original design was like. So as you can see, it's very easy to bridge 2 things together, create something new, and that could really sell well on our print-on-demand product. So with all of our different variations, we have multiple different type of styles we can definitely sell. This is really easy to scale this out and really add in some more secondary references images to really bring out something different in regards to our style. So from here, we can go ahead and upload this and upscale the image here. But one of the things we also want to be mindful of is to make sure that we have this design in the proper spacing that Printify gives us so that everything can line up perfectly and have the highest quality DPI setting. I want to go ahead and download this here. Then I want to head over into my canvas area so I can focus on the proper size. And the size that Printify gave us for this particular t-shirt is 3951 by 4800 pixel. And this is what we added here for our custom size, 3951 by 4800 pixel. So we know anything that comes into our design space is going to be perfectly added to our print-on-demand product. So with that being said, I want to go back over into my computer, find my design that we just created. And then I want to make sure that this is properly spaced out accordingly so that it can fit into the proper area that we have on Printify. So with that being said, I can head over to position here, simply click on center, make sure everything is great, and then click on fit. And now everything is fitting the appropriate size when we upload this to Printify. And this is really good to do as well, because if you have created, let's just say 10, 20, 30, 50 products and you're trying to have them all aligned up the right way, you can upload multiple designs here and set them all at the same time with our bulk feature just to make everything line up properly. Being that we only have one design here, we're just going to download this current one. And with our image already being upscaled, we want to go in and remove the background here of our design. So we head over to background remover, go and find where our new resize image is. And then we're going to remove the background here. And now we have our design with our background removed. And now we're going to jump back over into Printify to upload our design. So we jump back over into Printify. We head over to the upload section here. We go to my device and go ahead and find where our design is. And here is the design that we created. As you can see, that is a perfect fit in regards to the space that Printify gives us, because anything outside of this space here, as you see, is not going to show at all. So being that we have everything lined up simply by adding this in here, really saves us a ton of time. And when we look at the DPI setting here, it is 300 DPI, showing that the print is going to be perfect once this is printed out for our customers. Everything is done here. We can go and select t-shirt variations with colors if you want to. We can head over to preview and see what this is going to look like once it is finally printed out. But it can be done for any niche, really for any product category. When you think about creating this with a really great prompt and then remixing that with another design you found on Etsy to really create something new, again, that saves so much time. It definitely bring in variations to scale this out even better. But as you can see, that came out well and is in line with top design trends we know to do well. And we can easily add in personalization if we want to here. But again, I think this came out extremely well. Now, if you want to get started with Printify and selling these type of AI designs, I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below about everything we talked about in today's video. That can help you start scaling your Etsy business with AI and print on demand. And check out this next video here where I share with you another top trend that's selling on Etsy and how you can scale that design even further. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.